Yeah, ay nako! Ay gawa, baby! Yay! Go! Woo! Woo! Damn, I'm talking about! Damn it! Holy mama! Oh, damn it! Yeah! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! The biggest one! Oh my God! Oh, and Tomahawk! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Bait para sa ating tuna and yellowtail and yellowfin and bluefin. Hookup. Ito po, siguro mga 100 to 200 scoop ang kailangan namin. Alam niyo kung magkano isang scoop? $45. Yan po ang bayaran doon. See you guys. Hookup brothers, time check. 4:21 and we're still driving. See some lights there, the boat. We have two boats over there, two lights there, one light there. Okay, like 4 boats right now driving, and I don't know when we're gonna stop, and let's see where we're going. I hope we can catch something.
We can always make more on the iPod. I gotta make one phone call and then we're gonna get it. I'm gonna come downstairs. I gotta call in a fish report. I haven't done that in a while before.
Okay, your story looks right. How do you feel? Good?
Good.
Watch your slack, guys. These lines right here, okay?
Ah! Done?
The 25-pound test broke off?
Yeah.
On the hook?
Oh, it came off the hook.
Came off. Sorry guys, came off.
Look at that eyeball shot, dude. Right there. Yeah.
He jumped shot. Sorry guys. Yes, I forgot my GoPro. I hope I can catch something there. This is my first bluefin.
Look at the heart.
Number 7. Chad, thank you.
The first bluefin? Yeah.
No, actually. Yeah, for today. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Ah!
Come on, you guys are fucking around. Go ahead, bud. No, you're good, bud. You gotta come this way. You gotta come this way. Okay. I'm just trying to help you, bud. Huh? No, you're good. You're here, man.
Thank you, Captain.
You got it. Stay ready. Stay ready, both of you. Stay ready. Stay ready. Come on. Get in there. Oh, sorry. Switch spots. There you go. Okay, keep calling. I got you. Easy, brother. One. Just saw him off. Dude, you gotta fucking saw him off. Hey, just follow here.
Thank you, Captain. Nice.
40-pounder, yo.
So what? What's wrong with that?
Thank you.
Dude, that was a 100-pounder. That was a 100-pounder, dude.
Thank you, Captain.
There you go.
Fuck yeah. Hey, that's the best kind. What are you talking about? Hey, that's
Thank you, Captain.
45.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you, Captain.
Hey, come on, bud. Come on. We're all here. Come here. Hold on! Damn it! Hold on, we're all on. You guys are all tangled in this. Everybody, come down. No, leave it free spool, man. You're gonna lose it if you don't.
Okay, we got a hell of a tangle here, boss.
Yeah, we do. Here, come here. Free spool. Give me this. Let go. I'm in free spool too. Rod, give me this rod. Come on. Hold this. Come here, bud. Come here. Leave that free spool, or you're gonna lose them. Leave it free spool. Come here. Get over here. Come here, please. Come here.
Go, Daddy. Stay.
Grab your rod. Leave it free spool.
You're on the other side of the boat, Doug. You gotta run all the way underneath everybody, all the way around to the other side.
Can I get under here? Can I get under here?
All right, all the way over him. All the way over. Here you go, right here. Switch him up. You gotta be over. You're underneath him. Underneath. Back up. Underneath. Up. Over. Perfect. Pop right down.
Thank you, Brett.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, there's fish right here. Fish right there. What do I gotta go around that? Yeah. Oh my God. Here, what do you got on there?
Chad,
right
I'm
now?
okay, Chad.
Knife jig? Fuck. All right, rip it on over the other side. You're stuck on
Hey, this kite! Hey, this fucking kite!
Coming in.
Wind that fucking kite in! Hey, so we gotta wind this kite in!
On it. Right now, I'm in it. Right here.
I gotta go.
Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, my, it's hard.
Lift,
Captain.
lift, bud.
It's hard, Captain.
I know, bud.
All right, go help him in the stern. Go help him in the stern.
Daddy, those two are in color back there. They need that early, but if you
Go help him. Watch out here, guys. Let me know if you get any angle towards us. All right, just let me help you out for 2 more seconds. I'm gonna get him flat, and then you're gonna take it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Robert, stand by, heel.
there's a gap right behind you.
I got you. Good shit. No pride in this shit. That's all I can say. Watch out! Yes, you gotta watch that line. Fucking hit it. Just hit it.
Yeah!
Fuck yeah! Right there, big dog. Hold that.
Bang!
Got you. Coming in, Robert.
Yeah!
Coming in. Hold on. Got you. 1 second. Watch out. Switch him up. Hey, coming down here, guys.
Rod tip straight up. Rod tip straight up.
Coming in. We got it. What's up? I need your help. Coming in here, guys. Watch out.
Yeah! Ay, nako! There you go, baby! Yeah! There you go! Woo! Woo! Chad, I'm talking about! Damn it! Chad! Hey! Man!
Robert, give me the gas.
Thank you, Chad!
Come on, just take a slice. Just give me a slice.
Thank you, guys! Awesome! Oh my God, look at that!
There's a rod!
Look at this! Oh!
You got it?
Can you
Fuck!
put it right there?
No, let it go.
Right here. The wheel.
Right here.
Free spool and come here. Rod!
Okay, pahila pa rin. Patungan pa.
There you go.
Para hindi makasagi ng tao.
You can't do it like
Cut the
that.
line.
Look at that. Hookup Brothers, I got one. I got one, baby, and I get Jong here. Me and Jong.
We have a lot of fish going. I gotta help them just fish that, and you will catch a fish. What's up?
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. It's crazy right now. Crazy. Maybe like 5 is still going. 5 is still going right now. And woo! Get lucky. We get lucky. But look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How nice it is. Look at that.
Go to the bow. Let over the plate. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Now. Yep.
Nice! Woo! Another one! Another one!
Go
Good
right
job, Captain!
You guys keep catching them.
I love the intensity, Kel.
Keep catching them.
I love it.
Keep catching them.
Good job, Captain!
There's no room for being pushed.
Oh yeah, big dog. There's Andrew. Hold it tight. Hold it tight, tight, tight.
Hookup Brothers!
Yeah! Yeah! And the brothers and there's another one right here. What? Here, I got it.
Right there, behind you.
Coming in, coming in! Right here, right here, right here. Another one. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Push down. Where are we going? What way? This way? What way is this going? Alright, watch it. Get it over, get it over. Go around. Coming down to the corner, you guys! Coming down to the corner! Hold on. Make sure that number is there, boss. Fuck yeah, look at that one. Alright, let's see what's up with this. Oh.
Go naman, Jong. Go.
Go on the back.
And that's Jong.
I gotta go. Go, man. Yep, got you. Coming up here, guys. Coming up.
And that Jong. Hold your fish, Jong.
Oh gosh, okay. No, maybe.
I can catch you here. I can catch you here.
I can feel it. You want to cut me, cut it.
Jesus. Try wrapping it this way.
And that's Jong. Look at that. Oh, monster.
Alright.
Alright, Jong. Nice one. Nice one. This guy, the biggest one on the boat. The biggest one on the boat. Congrats, bro. What's your name? John. Good job, bro. Good job. Hello, Hookup Brothers. Ito, nakahuli ako ng isa. That one. And then this is Jong, number 8. So big, man. Big. And we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 already. Big ones. And still I have 3 are still going. Still going, bro. Man, we have a lucky day right now. The captain is really good. He helped us very good. It's a special thing to captain, everybody in crew. This is Hookup Brothers. Chaos right now. Chaos in here. A lot of tuna. Platform. Okay, guys.
I'll take it to Clarice's house. She'll process it.
Tinatanggalan nila ng hasang. Hookup Brothers. We got hit by tuna. Look at that. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 big ones. 8 big ones. This is Robert. This is Chad. Doing a good job, man. They're doing a good job. And, the one who got hooked up, and they never use the fish. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. They're good. They're really good. Hey, Hookup Brothers, look how big. Lobby deck. Big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chilling. Yeah, they putting the tuna inside the
These boats are catching them.
brine to keep it fresh.
Here's our spool. We're gonna get some right now, man. Stand by.
That's all?
Good job, guys.
Good job, Tomahawk boys.
Good job. Another bluefin, another giant bluefin. Time check. What time is it right now? 12:13. 12 midnight. Got one again. Nice one. Good job, guys. Good morning, mga ka-hookup. Si Tam naka-hook up. There you go. Look at that. Big one. Big one. Around what time is it? 6:25. 6:25. 6:25. They got one. Tam got one. There you go. 6:25 in the morning. Tam! Good job, bro. Good job, Ben. What the heck? Wow, Tom, look at that. Go ahead, go down, go there, that side.
Yeah, buddy.
Hindi ko pinilitan pa rin.
Nice!
This is
Shit!
I'm just showing you.
The Hookup Brothers. You got hooked up. Nice one.
That's why we can't.
Good job, Tom. Tom is on the leash. Tom. Tom is on the leash. Look at that. Last time wag-wag. Last time wag-wag there. Man, look at that.
Here we go. It's coming up.
Good job, Captain.
Fuck yeah.
Nice, Joe.
Nice, Joel. Nice, Nikki. Heck yeah, baby. Sweat in the morning.
Nice. Look at that.
Wow.
Woo! Wow, third already. 3 bluefin on a boat. Bloody deck.
Oh, you son of a bitch, I missed his ass. He's gonna run with me. Oh, I missed his ass. That was going on. 25. Damn, dude, I missed one. Sorry, big dog.
No problem.
He's all hot. Hot. Rod tip out to the red.
Yeah! Nice! Nice shot! Woo! Yeah! Meow!
Nice one. That's what you. That's a big one. Good job.
Thank you, Chad.
Oh, thank you dodged me the first time. Go for a nice little headshot. You turn and miss. Oh yeah.
Good job, Chad. Thank you. First one of the day. Hookup Brothers, another one. Another one there. Oh my God, look at that. Whoa! What's up, guys? Hookup Brothers! Hey! Oh my God. Are we throwing one? Watch out.
No, someone grab another gap.
I got you. Where's Joel?
Hit it in the head.
Woo! Get over here. There's another one.
Oh shit! Look at that! Look at that! How big it is! Oh my god! 250 pounds, man.
We have another one right here. Fish right out of the corner, guys.
Hey bro, what's your name?
Adam.
Yeah, give me YouTube, Adam. Yeah, Hookup Brothers, bro. Congrats, man. That's the captain over there. That's Mike. The main guy there. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Lucas, yes.
It's not bigger.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Is that bigger than mine?
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's white. That's definitely big.
Look, Tom, wag. Are you okay, bro?
May isa pa rin yung ano.
Ang.
Dalawa ito.
Andun pa sa dulo. Still catching. Good job. Hookup Brothers. Ganun katindi ang fishing dito ngayon. We got the good one. This is the best trip ever in this year, tama? Best one. Let's wag. We have one. Baby, we got 3 already. Relax. fishing. Uwi na kami. Sabi lang pag may nadaanan sa tigil. And man, you know what? Ito na siguro yung pinakamaswerte naming trip for the whole year. Maybe entire fishing. Kasi talagang nakita kung gaano kalalaki yung nahuhuling bluefin tuna. At ang dalas na nahuli ay 256 pounds. Yun ang pinakahuling nahuli. And nakapagod. Yan, nandito ako sa aking sa aking bank. Yan, medyo malaki ang higaan ko ngayon. Yan, nandito ang aking flashlight. Pinalunan ko sa raffle. And yan, mga ka-hookup, maganda ang aming fishing. Talagang hindi mo mabayaran yung experience. Nandito ka na, nakikita mo may nakakahuli sa kite. And kami nakahuli na kagabi, naka-hookup kami kagabi lahat. At ang masarkit nito, yung sa kite, ang lalaki ng huli ay hindi na kami nabunot kasi meron na kaming nahuli kagabi. And si Tom. And okay lang. At may ilang piraso na hindi nakahuli. Siguro mga 5. But the rest, oh my god, 200 and up. Sana kung hindi kami nakahuli kagabi, baka sakaling napunod kami ngayong umaga, hapon, and malalaki na huli. It's okay. Yung experience ang hindi mo pwedeng bayaran. At malaki na rin ang may nahuli namin. Mas malalaki lang yung nahuli nila sa kite. Pero siyempre, sariling kayat namin yun. At nakakatawa, nakaka-proud na sa aming pagod namin na huliin tuna. And abangan niyo po yung video natin. Ito po ay 2.5 day Tomahawk. And epic. Big time. Lahat talaga na mag-enjoy talaga lahat. And yung experience. And the crew and the captain. Man, the owner is here. And the wife, the family. And the best of the best. Hookah Brothers, see you later. Matutulog na po si Kuya niya.